We're going to be replacing this seat on my Coronado glider, and I'm going to be going over how to do that. So basically you're going to need a 9/16 socket. There's going to be 4 bolts on the base, and then you're going to need a T45 Torx to unbolt the seat belt. And basically we're replacing the seat because I hate the lowrider seat. I want to be able to go higher, and this is about as high as it goes. So first we're gonna unbolt this bolt, and then we'll work on the base bolts next. So basically I want to do this guy. Kind of a weird angle here, but that's just how it is. Alright, so there's that guy. We'll set that aside, and then we'll work on the bolts on the, so slide the seat back. Take this little apron cover off so we can actually reach or see what we're looking at. And we'll undo these 2 bolts in the front, and then there's gonna be 2 more back here, somewhere right there and right there. There's 1 bolt. There's the 2 front ones, and then the 2 back ones are right here, and then 1 on the other side. So we'll get those next. Next, you need to do the T45 on this side that connects the seat belt buckle. So this one actually had a nut on the bottom side of the sleeper or the cab. Usually they just have a you just undo the bolt, and then the securement on the bottom of the cab is fixed, kind of like the front ones are. There's no bolt attached at the bottom, but this truck is different. I haven't seen this before, and in any of the trucks I replaced my seats on, but it actually had a nut on the bottom. So that was kind of tricking me there for a second, because I thought it was stripped out, but there's an actual nut on the bottom side. So all right, that's pretty much it. And then now we'll bleed down the air on the truck and unhook the air line, and then put the new seat in. Bleed down the air. There we go, the air brakes popped. This is just a quick connect, so you should be able to push in. Usually if I use a wrench, show you guys here. If you just use a wrench, it's pretty easy to just push in. This one's being a pain in the butt. Alright, so it finally came out. Use a wrench, put it to push it, and the airline should pull right out. Sorry if you can't see, it's a little dark. Alright, so we got the new seat in here. We're going to start the truck up. We connected the airline right there. You can see it. And now we're going to wait for air to build so we can raise the seat. Should be good to so I found out with the lowrider seat, it looks like they drilled holes and put their own bolts in, so I might have to get another set of bolts for the stock seat. Like I said before, usually there's just one bolt and then the nut is fastened to the frame or to the cab, where this one had its own nut at the bottom. So that was why with that stupid lowrider seat they had to drill their own holes. So with this one we should be good to go. I just might have to get another bolt.